Hello sunshine lovers, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in Denia. I'm going to be showing you a newly built construction which is an urbanisation that features apartments and also duplexes that will be key ready by the end of the year 2026. What's really nice is that they offer 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. They do feature spacious terraces and have got just the proximity we are looking for, 100 metres away from the beach. So let's begin the tour. As I come in through the front door, main entrance, through a robust security door, it brings us into a warm and inviting entry hall. Right next to the front door for comfort, you do have your video intercom system, and I do like the fact that it gives you a separate entry where you can actually be before you enter the open living areas of the duplex. So this is distributed on 2 floors, and I'm now going to show you the ground floor, the floor that you would enter. So as we're coming into the heart of the home, the main living space, which comprises of your open plan kitchen, dining room and living room. Altogether, the space gives you 28 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.5 meters. It's really nice in the sense that they have gone with a balance of very light, crisp colours and have also given wooden accents a little bit of an emphasis throughout the home. Let's begin in the kitchen where I'm stood here right now, and this is quite a deceivingly spacious kitchen. You have here on this side a peninsula that also features a breakfast bar set for 2. But on this side you also have your cooking hob with its integrated extractor. You also have below an oven as well as cabinetry. On this side, you have your dishwasher as well as your kitchen sink. And I really like how they've gone with this earth tones cabinetry, but giving you even more by taking advantage of the ceiling height. So if you do have a lot of things to store away, you'll find that you do have plenty of that. On this side, you have your refrigerator and your freezer. And all the appliances are Siemens and Bosch. And then this is the storage cupboard that houses your aerothermic boiler and also here for convenience, the washing machine. Taking you now out of the kitchen, it leads nicely to your dining space, which features a dining table set to dine for. It then comes into the heart of the living room space, which is a really lovely intimate nook and gives you these patio doors that enable you direct access onto what is a rather spacious terrace. What I like about the terraces within this particular project are that they do give you, if you're going, let's say, for the duplex, approximately 40 square meters of outdoor living space. It's great in the sense that this particular one, I not only get views of the Mediterranean Sea, as we are just a few meters away from the beach, but I also on this side get a perspective of the mountain views too. It is a very tranquil spot, despite the little bit of construction noise that you might hear as it is still underway. But can I just say, it's a hot one today. I mean, it's spring, but it doesn't feel like it. So as I come through back into the living area, I'm now going to show you that they have also included a guest bedroom on this floor. So now taking you into the first bedroom, it is light and bright with a similar interior feel. With a window on one side, you also have your integrated wardrobes on the other. The bedroom itself offers 11 square meters. Coming out of the first bedroom, I'm now going to show you the guest bathroom, which is really conveniently located. So your guests could use it, your family could use it, and you'll find that the bathrooms are also installed with high quality fittings and are light and bright as well, with a nice interior feel. And so you'll find that with the duplexes, as well as the apartments within this urbanisation, you will find things that are included within your specifications, like LED lighting, hot and cold air conditioning, your appliances, fitted and equipped bathrooms, and also anti-glare double glazed windows. Having a tranquil stroll along Les Marines Beach, this beautiful beach overlooks the shoreline stretching a beautiful 7 kilometers. Here I am with all this action happening around me, and yet I feel like I'm on a private beach. They're obviously in their planes doing some kind of training courses, the firemen of this particular region. But whilst they're doing that, I just want to say how lovely this residential area is. As I said, after all, the urbanisation that we showed you was just 100 metres away from this unspoilt beach. If, let's say, for example, the hustle and bustle of the city of Denia, and also even the hustle and bustle of the beaches in Javier, isn't necessarily or suits throughout the year, then this beach might be the perfect alternative. Along it, you will find that there are some chiringuitos, lovely places to stop, have a relax and a sunbathe, and calm waters, which makes it very family friendly. Let's say, for example, you wanted to walk along the coast, you could actually get to the historical quarter of Denia also from here, should you wish. It's a wonderful residential area, perfect for those that may be seeking a holiday or second home. Coming up this lovely floating staircase that has clear balustrades, I love the tonality of the colours they've incorporated within these apartments and duplexes. Now, coming along the hall on the upper floor, this has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. First, we come to the main bathroom, which has a lovely, warm and inviting tone and is also fully equipped. This bathroom actually facilitates the 2 bedrooms on this floor, and I'm now going to take you into what would be the primary suite, being the larger bedroom offering its own access to the terrace. This bedroom offers 14 square metres, and on this floor you'll find that the ceiling height is maintained as 2.5 metres. I like how you have this lovely little nook where it's a lovely place to be able to actually get dressed, and obviously you have here your fitted wardrobe. But the light that bounces through this room is really nice, as you do also have access through patio doors to a lovely spacious terrace. And again, this gives you the higher elevation of the view, where you do actually get to see even more sea. I like the fact that even on the upper floor, you still get a very sizable terrace that you could use for the family. This particular one offers, again, just over 20 square metres and gives you the perspective of your, well, uninterrupted sea views over the tops of the houses and also the mountains and the fields. Lovely. So taking you now from the terrace that comes with your primary, I'm now going to take you back into the hall, and you will also find that there is the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom is again light, bright and inviting and offers 8 square metres. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €400 per year. The community fee is €100 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. These, as you can see, are stunning apartments in the sense that they have been built to high specifications. What we showed you today was a duplex, but they do have other models that do feature the apartments on just one floor. What I do like about it, though, is that it does offer spacious terraces, and you will find that the actual dimensions of the interior living space between the apartments and duplexes does vary slightly. So these ones are actually due to be ready later on this year. What I also really like is the location, just 100 metres away from the beaches of Denia and just 2 kilometres away from the city centre. If you like coastal life and access to a city, then it could be the suit for you. So if you do like this property and you'd like to know more, then please come to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Every like and every subscription matters, especially as we're climbing our way to 100,000 subscribers. Anyway, I'm going to say ciao for now, or as we say here in Spain, hasta pronto.